Hi guys, this is Ton from Tigerlink. Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be talking about the BFT Deimos Ultra and the BFT Deimos BTA and how to turn them from a right-hand side configuration into a left-hand side one. I know some of you might say, hey Ton, I've been installing BFT motor the same way, whether it's on the left-hand side of the driveway or on the right-hand side of the driveway. I've never had any problem. You're right. There won't be any problem if you're only operating it in a trigger mode. So traveling from one end of the limit switch to the other end. So if it's end to end, it's fine. But if you happen to install photocell, and majority of the time you would want photocell or safety sensor to work when the gate is closing. So you have to get the limit switches and the direction of the motor right for the photocell to work properly. And in the second case, if you want to pair pedestrian mode to your remote control, then you have to get the direction of the motor right as well, because the pedestrian mode will open from the closing limit switch up to the percentage that you set. So let's say if you set 50% or 30% of the total maximum distance, that will be calculated from the closing limit switch. So you have to get this one correct. So first, let's start with the BFT Deimos BTA. So you just have to swap the wire in the terminal 10 and terminal 11. So red wire will go into terminal 10 and blue wire will go into terminal 11. That's for the direction of the motor. Secondly, you have to swap the limit switches around. So now the brown wire goes into terminal 42 and the red wire goes into terminal 43. Leave the common, so the black wire, alone. So after the swap, the red wire goes into terminal 10, blue wire goes into terminal 11, brown goes into 42, and red goes into 43. And this is the left-hand side configuration for the BTA Deimos. So for the BFT Ultra, luckily, you wouldn't have to swap over any wiring. You just have to make sure that these two magnetic limit switches are at the right position. So as you can see, there's L and R. So make sure this L1 is always on the left-hand side and R is always on the right-hand side. And to turn it from right-hand side configuration to left-hand side, you just have to do it in the programming. So you can change the direction of the motor when you do auto set. So first, press the third button once. You see language and you pick English. So you press the third button again. DIR stands for direction. So here you can pick right hand side or left hand side. So let's say you want to change to left hand side. And then you press third button to confirm it. That's all. That's all you have to do. If you guys find the video helpful, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. That's going to mean a lot to me, and that's going to tell me that you guys really like the video and I will continue to make more of them. If you have any video ideas that you want me to go through, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you're interested in any of our products, feel free to visit us at our showroom. We have two now. We have one in Keysborough and we have one in Preston. Or you can always visit us online at tigerlink.com.au. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next tech tip video.